people. Well, we're in the UK. It's about 3 or 4 degrees and it's 27th of April 2023 and everyone's cold. So I'm down by the van. I just thought I'd give you a little update because there's been a few things happen. I'm just going to back up and show you. So, there we go. A nice splint. I was having a really chill day, moving some of the wood from the bits that I'd taken out of the van because it was all piled in here to put in the shed so I could get on with the next part of it, which is the kitchen unit. Stepped out of this step and onto the floor, and there was some bluebell leaves draped across the actual slab. And earlier on in the week, I'd kind of gone on them and I thought, oh God, that's slippy, and I moved all the leaves back. Well, I got out with this big piece of wood, and I'd got both feet on the floor, and literally snapped my ankle sideways, twisted my back as I went, because I went down off it because I couldn't stand up obviously, and dragged myself back into the van because I couldn't stand on it. My mate came round, we were chatting for half an hour, and in my head it was going, and it was really killing, and I was just delaying walking on it because I just thought, I'm sure I'll break it. So anyway, hopped back up to the house and went to bed, woke up at 4 AM and it was ginormous, and I just knew. And my cousin, who's a paramedic, said, I think you should go, this is the Sunday, because I was like, I'm not going Saturday. And I went, and where I've snapped, like inside my ankle, where I've snapped the ligament, literally because it was so quick, snapped the ligament, and it's kind of yanked a little piece of bone off. So I've got a splint on. They're treating it as a sprain, but I've got a splint on to try and keep my ankle straight. So at the moment, I'm just coming to have a little look to see where I'm heading next on the van, and kind of to make a bit of a plan. I'm a bit annoyed, pissed off, because I wanted to be moving on with it, and I think I found someone that's going to be able to help me with the welding. Hopefully I'll be able to do a bit, we'll see. Get it through the MOT, and then it's the start of the rebuilding. So I'll just finish this here and I'll splice it together with the other one I'm just going to do, just show you. It's still quite messy in here, but I just want to give you an idea of where I'm at. So peace out, world. So here we go. There were the bluebells and the slab was there, but it's gone. So I've still got a few bits in here, like my toilet and a couple of bits of the seat in the bed foam. Obviously that's all out. My kitchen unit, I've got to work out how to undo this because I think it was built into the van. Obviously the wardrobe's gone. So this big piece here is screwed into here and I couldn't undo it, so I'm thinking about jigsawing that off there like that, jigsawing that off there like that. I've got to find somewhere to put these frames that I'll probably dismantle because I won't be using it in the next van. Those are some boxes that was the stuff in here that's got to go. Take this last bit of strip of tongue and groove off, and then, so I keep going really blurry, don't I? I'm going to show you, take all these lower parts off, take the boxes off the wheel arches, take all these and take all the insulation out. So that's all done, ready for when it's got to be welded. And that's where we're at. So there we go. There's the kind of wintry, kind of chilly looking canal today. No sun. So hopefully over the next 5 days I'm just going to take things easy and try and do a little bit at a time just to get it done and get it emptied. So there we go.